Peace upon you, O prophet of mercy, light of guidance for all mankind. In the darkness you showed us the way, a mercy sent to every kind. When the world was lost in silence, and hearts were broken, cold and dry, you came with truth upon your lips, and hope returned from the sky. Peace upon you, gentle teacher, your words still heal the wounded soul. You taught us love, you taught us patience, you taught us how to be whole. You stood for the weak, you fed the poor, you forgave when revenge was near. You chose mercy over and wiped away every tear. Peace upon you, O noble prophet, your character was pure and bright. Even your enemies bore witness to your honesty and light. You walked with humility on this earth, though angels honored your name. You never sought the crown of kings, yet every heart knows your fame. Peace upon you, O merciful words. In hardship you never complained. You trusted Allah in every trial, and through patience you gained. When stones were thrown and wounds were deep, you prayed for those who caused you pain. You asked for guidance for their hearts, not punishment, loss or shame. Peace upon you, O beloved of Allah. Your sunnah lights our way today. In every prayer, in every salam, our hearts with love will always stay. We send our blessings day and night, from distant lands, from near and far. Your name brings peace upon our tongues, like a calm and shining star. Peace upon you, O prophet of mercy. Peace upon you forevermore. On your family and companions too. Accept our love, our humble words, for our hearts belong to you. Until the day when we return Keep us firm upon your path, and grant us your intercession by Allah's grace. Peace upon you, Prophet of mercy. Peace upon you forevermore.